Have you ever found yourself staring at your Robinhood account, wondering how to turn those digital gains into cold, hard cash? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down the process of depositing your Robinhood funds into your bank account, step by step. Robinhood has revolutionized the way we invest, making it easier than ever to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. But when it comes time to cash out, things can get a little more complicated. That's why we're here to guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Step 1. Understanding withdrawal methods. Before we dive into the specifics, let's discuss the different ways you can withdraw funds from Robinhood. The most common methods include ACH transfer. This is the most straightforward method, allowing you to transfer funds directly from your Robinhood account to your linked bank account. Check by mail. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can request a check to be mailed to your address. Instant deposit. For crypto, if you've been trading cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, you can often withdraw your funds instantly to your external wallet. Step 2. Linking your bank account. To initiate a withdrawal, you'll need to have your bank account linked to your Robinhood account. Here's how to do it. Log into your Robinhood account. Navigate to your settings. Select linked accounts. Click Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account information, including your routing number and account number. Step 3. Initiating the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, you can proceed with the withdrawal process. Go to your Robinhood account. Tap on the Portfolio tab. Select Withdraw. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method, ACH, check, or instant deposit for crypto. Confirm the withdrawal. Step 4. Waiting for the funds to transfer. The time it takes for your funds to transfer will depend on the withdrawal method you choose. ACH transfers. These typically take 1 to 3 business days. Checks. If you opt for a check, it may take several days to arrive in the mail. Instant deposits. For crypto, as the name suggests, these transfers are usually completed instantly. Step 5. Verifying the withdrawal. Once your funds have been withdrawn, you should receive a notification from Robinhood. To verify the transaction, you can check your Robinhood account balance to ensure the funds have been deducted. Monitor your bank account for the incoming deposit. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with your finances. Avoid sharing your account information with anyone you don't know. Fees. Some withdrawal methods may incur fees. Be sure to check Robinhood's fee schedule before initiating a withdrawal. Tax implications. Remember that withdrawing funds from your Robinhood account may have tax implications. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Depositing your Robinhood funds to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can confidently manage your investments and enjoy the fruits of your financial endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.